West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has stirred a controversy during Eid celebrations. She's accused the BJP of plotting riots in the state of Bengal. She has urged people to not fall into their trap. She has stated that red and saffron, an indication of the left parties and the BJP in Bengal of becoming one entity, one element. But that wasn't it. On one hand, when she kept on saying that it is the BJP that wants to do a danga, almost like predicting riots, then she goes ahead and she uses the terms Ganda Dharam. Mamata Banerjee says that hum Ganda Dharam ko nahi mante. She was attacking the BJP, accusing them of pushing and following Ganda Dharam. What was she talking about? Here are the controversial comments by Mamata Banerjee.
ঈদ মুবারক দেনে চাউঙ্গি ঈদ মুবারক আপনাদের সবাইকে ঈদের শুভেচ্ছা সবাইকে সবাই পরিবার নিয়ে শান্তিতে থাকুন কোনো রকম দাঙ্গা করতে দেবেন না কোনো রকম দাঙ্গা करने नहीं देंगे कि उसका एक ही आवाज है दंगा करो और हमारा आवाज है दंगा रुको दंगा रुकने से वो अपन से भाग जाएगा इसी के लिए अगर उसको भगाना है तो दंगा रुकना है उसको परिकल्पना में उसको प्लान में अपना परिकल्पनाते क्यों पा देवें ना এটা আমার রিকোয়েস্ট আছে
So on one hand, you have the Chief Minister of West Bengal from a stage for Eid celebrations at the Red Circle in Kolkata, where Mamata Banerjee was addressing the community, the Muslim community, and then she goes ahead and she attacks the BJP for pushing what she calls Ganda Dharam. Listen in.
ने क्या बोला देखो स्वामी विवेकानंद ने क्या बोला हम रामकृष्ण का धर्म मानता है स्वामी विवेकानंद को धर्म मानते हैं लेकिन हम जानबूझ के एक गंदा धर्म जो इसने बनाया जो एक जुमला पार्टी ने बनाया वो धर्म को हम नहीं मानता है वो तो हिंदू धर्म का खिलाफ में है और हिंदू ने आपको खिलाफ में नहीं है और क्रिश्चियन आपका खिलाफ में नहीं है कुछ पॉलिटिकल लीडर है जो इसमें सौदागारी करते हैं उसको सौदा का दुकान हम बंद कर देगा
Ritik Mondal is joining us live. Leader of opposition in the Bengal Assembly, Shuvendu Adhikari, has in fact questioned Mamata Banerjee over the mention or the usage of the term Ganda Dharam. He's asking her, what do you mean when you use the terms Ganda Dharam? Is it an attack on Sanatan? Is it an attack on Hindu religion? And the BJP is also accusing the West Bengal Chief Minister of indulging in vote bank politics on the day of Eid. Ritik, take us through where Mamata Banerjee was, who was she addressing, and what were the contents of her speech, which was meant to be an Eid message?
Well, like previous years, Mamata Banerjee, the West Bengal Chief Minister, this morning was addressing a huge Muslim gathering at the heart of the city, which is known as Kolkata's prestigious Red Road, where thousands of Muslims, people from Muslim community get together every year to observe the Eid-ul-Fitr for a special namaz, and she takes part usually every year. Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee both were present at that event. Mamata Banerjee was referring and addressing that gathering, and she warns the people belongs to Muslim community, hails from Bengal, to be more cautious amid a situation when Ram Navami is coming ahead, and we know that administration is also alarming people of Bengal to be cautious of any possibility of any riot. Mamata Banerjee, without referring Bharatiya Janata Party as a Jumla party, said that she alleged that BJP is plotting to create lawlessness, a riot-like situation in days to come, and she said that the people belongs to Muslim community should refrain from indulging them into that trap. And also Mamata Banerjee, while addressing the gathering, that she went on record claimed that the BJP has plotted and brought a kind of culture or religion. She termed it as a Ganda Dharm. So and BJP, they lashed out at Mamata Banerjee and TMC dispensation. You have Shubhendu Adhikari, leader of the opposition, and Rajya Sabha MP, Shomik Bhattacharya, left no stone unturned to attack Mamata Banerjee. They said that it shows the way Mamata Banerjee spoke today. It shows the kind of restlessness, and of course she is fearing that in days to come, when next year the Bengal Assembly election is scheduled to happen, Mamata Banerjee's tremendous pressure, which is why she is defaming the Hindu community and targeting Hindu community and its sentiment, and also trying to polarize its vote bank. So what we can see that the Eid festivity, which it has triggered a fresh slugfest between the ruling dispensation and opposition BJP over Mamata Banerjee's remark. Back to you.
All right, the BJP, like Kritik has also been pointing out, is asking Mamata Banerjee, when you use the terms Ganda Dharam, which Dharam are you talking about? For the BJP, this is nothing but another comment in the series of attacks that comes in from leaders of the INDIA bloc. But it's significant to know that this comment or these terms were used when Mamata Banerjee was addressing a huge gathering at Kolkata's iconic Red Road. She was addressing the Muslim community and was extending Eid greetings. But what was meant to be about Eid became about riots, became about Ganda Dharam. Here are more reactions from the BJP.
टीएमसी मतलब तुष्टीकरण मुझे चाहिए, ये स्पष्ट हो चुका है। ममता बनर्जी को भारत की अर्थव्यवस्था की ग्रोथ से भी इशू है, और अब वो जब ईद का समय है तो मुस्लिम वोट बैंक को संबोधन करते हुए कहती है कि बीजेपी हिंदू धर्म को गंदा धर्म बता देगी। क्या इस प्रकार की टिप्पणी और किसी धर्म या मजहब के बारे में की जा सकती है? देखिए किस प्रकार से हिंदू को टेरर से जोड़ा जाता है कांग्रेस के द्वारा। अब हिंदू धर्म गंदा है ये कहना, वो भी आज जबकि हम लोग नवरात्र भी सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं और ईद भी है, ये दिखाता है कि तुष्टीकरण मुझे चाहिए, यही मतलब हो चुका है टीएमसी का।
अपने वोट बैंक को खुश करने के लिए ममता बनर्जी ने वापस से हिंदू समाज का अपमान किया है। हिंदू धर्म को गंदा धर्म से जोड़कर यह स्पष्ट कर दिया है कि ममता बनर्जी सनातन के खिलाफ है। ममता बनर्जी ने स्पष्ट कर दिया है कि तृणमूल कांग्रेस जो है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक मॉडर्न मुस्लिम लीग की तरीके से बंगाल के अंदर आगे बढ़ रही है।
Sharp reactions coming in from the BJP. Ritik, now that the BJP is accusing the Trinamool Congress of indulging in appeasement politics on the day of Eid, how is the TMC reacting? What is the TMC's response to these attacks that are coming in from the BJP?
Well, let me tell you, in last couple of days, there are a lot of things are happening just ahead of this Ram Navami festivity. This time, the all saffron camps, especially all Hindu organizations, they have planned of, lined up several, festivity to observe Ram Navami, which never happened before. And be it the administration or the ruling dispensation TMC, they continue to attack BJP for plotting a riot-like situation and a lawlessness in everywhere. They said through this, attack, actually BJP is trying to instigate, in a lawlessness. Whenever it's possible in Bengal, when Eid is being celebrated, where the people, devotees are, going to worship, Annapurna, Ma Annapurna, which observes in Bengal as Bashanti Puja, when this Ram Navami festivity will be taking place in a larger way this time. So also TMC, reacted to this, and Mamata Banerjee's today's is very, very significant. Even as I pointed out that two days back, top cops of the Bengal police also warned the citizen and the commoners of Bengal to be cautious ahead of a situation, and they said they have specific intel inputs that there are possibility of lawlessness and riots will be created intentionally many places, and they are suspecting two people for having its involvement in creating a possible riot who hails from Howrah also. So days after that, Mamata Mamta Banerjee's remark and TMC's top leader speaking in the same line that gives a sense that a lot of politics are yet to see just ahead of this festivity session.
All right. So the BJP is calling this Sanatan slander. The BJP is also reminding of the comments that were made by leaders of the INDIA bloc in the past. They're reminding of how in the past there are leaders of the opposition who in fact equated the Sanatan Dharma to HIV, to leprosy, to AIDS. And now Mamta Banerjee's Ganda Dharm remark on the day of Eid has once again armed the BJP. Let's take you through what Shubhendu Adhikari has said, and we play that out on the plasma here. Shubhendu Adhikari, leader of opposition in the Bengal Assembly, has attacked Mamta Banerjee, and via this post on social media platform X, he says, and I quote, "हम गंदा धर्म को नहीं मानते, Mamta Banerjee." कौन सा धर्म गंदा है, Ms. Mamta Banerjee? Appeasing the Muslim community at the Red Road with your almost incomprehensible gibberish Urdu dialect, you made a statement that you don't follow ganda dharm or dirty religion. Which religion were you specifically referring to? Sanatan Hindu Dharm? What kind of provocative speech did you deliver at the Red Road on the occasion of Eid ul-Fitr? You uttered the words danga and riots more than you repeated the words Eid. Was it a religious event or a political program? Why were you deliberately mongering hate with the deliberate intention of creating animosity between communities? Ms. Mamta Banerjee, you are the one who were weaponizing religion. It will boomerang on you very soon, unquote. So this is what Shubhendu Adhikari has said, questioning Mamta Banerjee on what the terms Ganda Dharm mean. With that, we'll have to wind up here. Ritik, thank you so much for joining us on this broadcast. But that comment has now triggered furious reactions from the